Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's going to be all about the power and the healing benefits of sandalwood essential oil and the favorite ways to use sandalwood essential oil to help with easing tension, to help with issues when it comes to colds and coughs and sore throats as well, and also for helping to moisturize and heal the skin topically. So we'll get to know the ways in which it's best to use the sandalwood essential oil for that. Now, when we refer to the essential oils, it is best to get a really good quality essential oil, organic as much as possible, and also focus on the quality. So check on the back of the package about the ingredients, about the dilution, because in some situations you would find brands that use only 20% of the pure essential oil, and then the rest 80% is another carrier oil such as sweet almond or jojoba, and that way it would really kind of destroy the point of the benefits because they won't be as potent as if it was 100% pure essential oil. So make sure you be very aware of that and get the pure 100% pure essential oil. I know it would be a bit pricey, but trust me, the results would be amazing. And I've also used the other type of essential oil that is overly diluted, the whole 20% to 80% ratio of carrier, and it has not worked for me at all. I've tried all sorts of essential oils, so sharing my personal experience here, as well as some backed up information on the importance of sandalwood essential oil and lovely blends towards the end of today's video. So let's get started. Sandalwood is a lovely plant that originates in India, next to the Bangalore, and also it is amazing for so many different things, and the wood is used for the distillation of the sandalwood oil, and they also use the powder to make incense blends as well, because sandalwood is a lovely oil that also has emotional and energetical benefits that way. So it's a beautiful oil that is thick and pale golden, and the aroma is very deep and it's very rich. It's of course woody, it's spicy, and it has a sweet fragrance to it as well. And it's usually used for chesty coughs. It's used to ease colds as well, also issues with a dry skin, and it also helps to improve the texture of skins. This is the type of the oil that you could use if you've got dry skin, if you've got oily skin. We don't really want to restrict it to a specific skin type because it adapts to these different skin types as well. So it's great to be used as a general skin moisturizer because it helps to improve the texture of the skin. It also energetically, it helps in easing feelings of panic, also helping with issues of anxiety and stress and burnout as well. Now let's get straight to the suggested ways to use it in terms of blending it. The best way to use the sandalwood oil is when you come to help with issues when it comes to coughs, when it comes to flus and colds that way. You can use the essential oil as a massage oil. So basically add 3 drops of sandalwood, combine that with 3 drops of cedarwood, 4 drops of lemon. That will really help to get rid of that mucus and to help to clean away, clean the lungs that way. So add this 3 drops of sandalwood, 3 drops of cedarwood, 4 drops of lemon, add it to 20 milliliters of carrier oil, and massage gently over the chest, of course. Now if you have any sensitivity to any of these oils, I would highly advise you to not use them, and also please make sure to do a patch test before you apply it, 24 hours before that at least, to know if you've got any sort of sensitivity. So that is for the colds and the flus. But as a blend for the skincare, it would be best to use a combination of essential oils along with sandalwood. So these would be patchouli, they would be rose. If you have access to rose essential oil, it would be great as well. So start off by adding 5 to 6 drops of sandalwood, 2 drops of patchouli, and also 2 drops of rose. Add that to around 20 milliliters of jojoba oil would be amazing for that, because jojoba is a light oil that doesn't have a deep aroma to it, and it's easily absorbed by the skin. So the essential oils would be great to be used with jojoba when it comes to skincare. And another way that you can use sandalwood energetically to help with easing anxiety, to help with helping with stress and burnout, and helping if you feel like you have some sort of panic as well, applying the essential oil blend of sandalwood, orange as well. Combining sandalwood and orange in equal proportions, let's say around 2 drops of sandalwood, 2 drops of orange essential oil would be great. Add that to a warm bath and just soak in that bath for about 20 minutes. This is really amazing. And if you don't have any access to a bath, you can also put the essential oils in your either ceramic burner or in a humidifier. So just focus on sandalwood plus orange. If you don't have orange, you can use any other citrus fruit oil like bergamot or lemon would be great for that. So put it in the humidifier and just simply rest. Make sure to rest, make sure to do your anything that brings you kind of that soothing energy and that helps you to relax as well. So we've come towards the end of our video. All the links to what we've discussed in the channel will be available at the bottom of the video in the description box below. So thank you so much for watching till the end, and if you enjoy content like this, please make sure to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be informed of all our new content, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.